Stay to the right. So I'm saying you gotta stay to the right. Did you flood it?
I don't know. I hit the one spot that was like really...
Yeah. We didn't really get that wet.
I went too far this way though. I really sunk down and...
Got a little mud. I ain't got no gogs on, Josh. It's nice when you have somebody to ride with, you can explore without worrying about killing yourself. At least if you wipe out, you got someone to make sure you're not dead. My friend Josh came up to ride today. So we'll cruise up the DRZs in the dirt. There we go. Doing a little exploring today. About a heavy breathing, I'm sure. Couple hill climbs. Go the other way. God, I haven't ridden dirt in so long. My skill level is definitely a little bit low, but you know what? You live and you learn. He's right out of the house. It's funny because since I started this YouTube channel, I made more friends and people that want to ride and hang out. I guess when you advertise what you do, it becomes a little more attractive to people. They want to kind of join along. But it's been fun. Met a lot of cool people. Little pavement action. Some waves. Check it out. Want to do some sweet jumps? I gotta get some water. What up? We came up that way, right? So much brap. Go. Throwing some dirt around, a little bit of sun, a little bit of dust in the eyeballs. God damn it. The first dump of the day. I got that on video. I don't know what the hell I did, dude. I did something. I just went up. Every time I crash or every time I touch something, it's always a goddamn sticker bush. Oh, dude, I'm just glad I didn't fall in the bush. We got this. I'm glad I didn't break anything. Bones and levers. Getting stuck between two things. Whew. A lot of heavy breathing in the camera right now. Catch my breath. Yeah, I heard about it.
It'll spin it over.
I've seen that.
Tried it. I'm like kind of like wondering how it'll be.
I got nothing. Is that...
2 hours later.
This is why kickers suck.
Exactly. Nice little adventure. I didn't even crash doing anything cool. I was just turning around. A little bit of mud, a little bit of fun, a little bit of slip, a little bit of slide. Little rock, little roll. Couple side by sides. It's a little sticky in there, huh? The only way I see us making is if we go up that way.
You got this on film?
Yeah.